So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket, and today we would be exploring a very interesting platform called as Unstract. Turn unstructured documents into structured data instantly. The easiest way to parse, structure and automate document extraction, production grade document processing powered by LLMs for accuracy, scale and compliance. It's the best production grade document parsing AI that is available right now, and here you can try out the model for free. Also try a demo playground, and it is available on GitHub as well. So I tried setting up the GitHub prompt studio for them, and it was quite brilliant that I would be showing you in this video again. But before, let's try to understand a few things about Unstract. Why Unstract is great for agentic document parsing. Ask any AI, you will get the same answer. Trusted in many big companies, be it UBS, Accenture, Moody's, TQL, Panasonic, Thermo Fisher Scientific, etc. It can handle a wide variety of formats without manual annotation. Bank statements from 200 different banks, same form with changes across 50 different states. Everything is getting covered here. So before I jump onto its more details, let's try out it in my prompt studio. So here you can see that this is a document that I've uploaded, market to an Adobe company, and asking some prompts. I extract a table from the doc and it is able to extract everything accurately, as you can see. Right. Now you can add another prompt. Let me ask it. What are the additional terms? So this is towards the end if you see. If I hit enter, this will take a while to run, and you can ask any question, extract any sort of information. As you can see, payment frequency is quarterly. It is able to summarize everything. Payment terms, net 30. Customers give permission to market to use customer names and logo for marketing efforts, etc. You can ask more questions also, or you can change the document too. Now let me change the document for you. Let me show you. I'll remove this one. You don't need to remove also. I think it will work fine. Let me paste in the first one, and yeah, we're good to go. Now I can change my prompt also. So let's try this one again. Extract the table from the doc. I'll hit enter. It will show which model is getting used, number of tokens, time taken, and the cost also. It will take a while to extract the table from the doc, so it should extract these 4 entries: bats, different quantities, I assume. This is a old receipt, and here you can see that item, quantity, description of article, units. Everything is extracted very accurately. You can ask another question also. Who it is shipped to. Let me press enter. It should show something like to Dirk Lundy. Drill to Dirk Lundy. The third question I can ask is, what shall we ask next? Who it is sold to. So it should show something like this, I'm assuming. BK Legals BB Club. So I think that's accurate. Not just that, let me try out another document. Let me open this. This is not indexed. I will select this one and cross. Biogenics invoices here. So it is basically used for invoice extraction, which is quite good. This one it should be able to answer. Get me the UPI ID. Get me the UPI ID mentioned. Let me see what does it output. I think user ID. Okay, bank. User ID. Okay, bank. So as you can see, it is just accurate, dead accurate, and having such a tool in your inventory is a boon to have if you are dealing with unstructured data a lot, especially invoices in banking or in hospitals. This can be of great use. How did I able to set this up? So you need to go to the GitHub repo of Unstract. Completely free. You can install entire thing for free. Turn unstructured documents into structured data. And here they've given current state versus unstruct. Without unstruct, for schema definition, you need to write regex, build templates, but with abstract, it's just one prompt. Any new document, if you introduce, you need to again update everything, update the codes, etc. But here, any new document is handled in minutes. LLM integration, build your own pipeline, plug in any provider, deployment is custom, and output is unstructured, but here the output is quite clear in JSON. They've given multiple demos also. How the installation goes, very easy. Just git clone, go to cd, and then basically run this particular bat file. You can also use it with Docker, quite easy to use. These are the documents it supports: PDF, XLS, PPTX, PNG, JPG, etc. Everything is getting supported here. LLM providers are also quite agnostic. As you can see, it's model agnostic. OpenAI, Anthropic, Azure, Olama, everything is supported here. Very interesting use case to see. Now if I trace back to where we were, give your agent superpower. It has an n8n integration also. Do differentiating work, pick your battles. You can see why it is able to, how it operates. That's the most important part. We bring trust to LLM responses. Null is better than wrong. So whenever they're doubtful, they don't extract it, they say it as null. And Unstract's LLM challenge uses two separate LLMs to extract and challenge. Here you can see that it extracts, and then the challenger model comes in. And did the challenger agree? If yes, then the extraction is correct. If no, then the extraction is taken to be failed. They called it as a LLM-Whisperer, what I know. Go big on scale and small on businesses. It reduces tokens by up to 7 cross, powered by LLMs. Single pass extraction and summarize extraction. That's the crazy part. Doing AI-driven document process automation today. You are in full control. Flexibility max. Choose the best LLM, vector DB embedding model, whatever you wish to do. And this is the prompt studio that I just showed you using GitHub. Big generic prompt at speed, versioning built in, multi-LLM support, know the cost, comparison. You saw the cost also if you remember. LLM-Whisperer is something that they have introduced. Get complex document ready for LLM consumption. So at times you are not feeding the document as raw. You are doing some pre-processing that is done by the LLM-Whisperer from their end. LLM output is as good as the input you provide. The perfect companion service to LLMs, it produces highly optimized output from input documents in a way LLMs are better able to understand. A unique layer preserving mode, state-of-the-art handwritten text detection, checkbox and radio button detection, can deal scan PDFs and smartphone camera captured document. Just see the quality. This is the document that we are using, and this is the extraction that has been done. Crazy work done by Unstract here too. We help fit unstructured documents into your pipelines. You can use it using APIs, ETL pipelines, etc. Prefer an MCP? They have MCP also. They have just everything, I feel so now. Secure and compliant, and you can schedule a demo or start for free. I have provided the link in the comment section below. You can get started for free for the GitHub repo or the demo also. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day, and you definitely try Unstract, one of the most coolest and the most production reliable products that I have reviewed so far. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.